At TenPoint Complete, we believe reporting and analytics should do more than show numbers. They should help you make better decisions. Every client receives access to clear, actionable reporting designed to provide full visibility into performance and customer experience. We deliver reports and dashboards on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis depending on your needs. These dashboards provide real-time and historical views of activity, allowing you to track trends and measure performance over time. Key metrics include call and contact volume, response and answer times, first contact resolution, escalation rates, and customer satisfaction indicators. These insights help you understand not just what is happening, but why it is happening. Our reporting tools also offer customization and drill-down capabilities. Clients can view performance by time period, channel, location, or interaction type, making it easy to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Most importantly, we focus on turning insights into action. Clients use our reporting to optimize opportunities to both congratulate and help train staff, refine workflows, improve customer communication, and proactively address emerging issues before they become larger problems. We also review reporting together through regular performance check-ins, ensuring the data stays aligned with your business goals and operational priorities. With TenPoint Complete, reporting is not just visibility, it is a strategic management tool that helps you continuously improve service quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction.